It's Edward Roski, and I'm asking good questions. Why would Claude Code want to change your apostrophes? A developer pulled apart Anthropic's coding tool, Claude Code, which is awesome and you should use it, then found something strange in the setup text it sends to AI on every request. That's the hidden layer of instructions that sits kind of underneath your prompt. It's the part you never read and most of the time never see. And in there, the apostrophe and the word today's kept swapping between four different characters that look completely identical on screen. I lined up all four to compare them. I cannot tell the difference. Also, apparently, I have no life. And if your computer's clock was set to Shanghai time, the dashes in the date turned into slashes. Nobody announced this. It wasn't in a change log, wasn't a listed feature. It had actually been running about 3 months before anyone even noticed. So a tool a lot of developers rely on every day was stamping these weird invisible marked apostrophes into everything that was going out the door. So let's stop for a second. This whole trick kind of only works if no one notices it. But why would anyone hide a code inside a punctuation mark? Anthropic hid this in there as a tracker, basically to catch copycats. Each of the four apostrophes meant something specific. One said your request came in through a proxy that was on Anthropic's watch list. Another said it smelled like a rival AI lab. The date tricked flagged machines set to Chinese time zones, Shanghai and Urumqi, in case you're keeping score. Stitched together, it was a fingerprint on the request that Anthropic suspected were being used to copy its own model. The motive isn't a mystery. Anthropic had already accused Alibaba out loud with lots and lots of evidence of lifting Claude's capabilities, so I'm going to give him the fair part first. I get it. But just because protecting your model from theft is legitimate, and I'd want to do it too, the problem becomes kind of how they did it. So this is the company that sells itself as the careful, transparent one. It's kind of their whole brand, and it buried a tracker in a like comma-sized, apostrophe-sized character instead of just telling you it's marking your request. Because I guess then those other competing labs maybe could have figured out a way around it. So it turns out the text that your AI sends for you is a channel that nobody audits. And this was the first time anybody got to read the invisible ink. So Anthropic pulled the code once it got caught. So what else are your AI tools slipping in that you never get to see? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.